Samantha and Lavanya. We have come from Bangalore. So we wanted to celebrate our anniversary and we were looking for a more of an eco-friendly resort, and we found Holistic. While coming from Bangalore, I had some imagination in my mind, but then I had not seen the actual picture. But then coming in here, it was a brilliant experience. Though we had a bit of a struggle to come because of the last stretch of a year, but still, after coming in here, the kind of love people showed over here, the way they took care of us, and the hospitality, thanks to Sujit, Nitin and the whole team, right, they've been brilliant. And even the food, I must say, like, thing is, we were worried because thing is, since we come from Karnataka and then we are kind of used to that kind of food, we were worried how the food will be. But all the dishes that we tasted were very delicious. Thanks to the person who cooked over there. I don't know her name.
Ajesh.
Huh?
Ajesh.
Rajesh. Okay, so brilliant. Thanks to him also, and thanks to the person who was there, right? And also one more thing that I would like to highlight is the candlelight dinner experience. That is something I always wanted to make it a surprise to her. She did not have any clue, and I had informed the same thing to Sujit and his entire team. So keeping that in mind, they just followed it. They also acted as if she cannot guess what we were doing. So it was a complete surprise to her. So all in all, brilliant and very well maintained, very well trained staff for everyone. Thank you for the hospitality.
Yeah, I don't have anything to tell because he has said everything. But I'm very bit of surprised here. It's a beautiful place. Yeah, you must come here and you have to stay here. Thank you.
Thank you.